Hey guys, so we just went and got hats, bucket hats for our fishing trip today because you need to protect your face. I'll show you guys what that guy. But yeah, we just got these hats. They're kind of cute. I need to figure out how I'm going to wear my hair with it because I can't wear it up and I like wearing it up.
This guy's going to be coming right now.
Ow, this stick just poked my butt.
Is that it?
Hey guys, I hope you love my dope new hat. It says Key West on it. She has hers. Also really cute. We're about to go deep sea fishing. So hopefully we make it back alive. No fish eat us.
Yes, hopefully we don't fall off the boat. That would
yeah,
not be good.
or throw up. I have my sea bands.
I have my Apple Watch.
Just in case because I don't know what will happen. We'll see. We have our swim shirts. Mine's over there because it makes me feel sticky. But overall goal is to get tan, get fish, not die, have fun. See y'all later. We're gonna do a questionnaire.
Yes. What kind of fish do you want to catch?
Mahi-mahi, particularly because they're pretty. What do you want to catch? Or a shark? A hammerhead, because that'd be cute to take a picture with.
I want to get one of those big fish. The
Like
orange
a
ones.
Snapper?
Yeah.
They said it's not snapper season. I wonder what season it is. Ew, I hope we don't catch like bass. I want to catch pretty fish, like colorful ones.
I want to catch ones that we can hold up and take an
Keys.
Instagram.
Yeah, a cute one, not like a, you know, nasty tuna.
What fish did you guys?
Tuna is just like gray and not that aesthetic for those pics.
Wait, Lauren, what fish did you catch with Mason?
Snapper. Well, I didn't go, but they caught snapper.
Oh yeah. I want to catch those fish.
Yeah.
What are you
Those
most
are
excited
cool.
for?
For this event that we're about to partake on. I just love being in the water. It's really pretty. Like the ocean is so pretty. It just feels good. Hopefully they're playing music.
Hopefully
to
it's not
spend
gonna be
time
too
with my gal Lexi, my boy Mason.
Hopefully it's not gonna be too hot.
I know. I really hope it's not too hot because I don't want to. Wait, we need to drink more water. I haven't drinking like any water today. We can't get dehydrated. I just don't want to pass out.
See, I thought the humidity would help my face, but I'm breaking out. You can't really see it, but there's little mini.
I want to go get food.
We made it to charter, and we're about to climb aboard our fishing adventure. We're taking off, about to go out. I got squirted by some water. We're about to cast our rod. Yes, Lexi, let's get it. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's cute.
Mutton snapper.
Guys, we're getting lots of fish and 2 sharks.
That's great. Some of my best.
Guys, we're feeding these giant tarpon with our food that we got. This is not acceptable. No kissing. It looks like an ice.
I caught this one.
No, don't.
Hold it far away from the ladder as you can. Out this way. Oh, more.
I didn't see that one coming. That was a fine.
Over here.
Mom, look at this little.
Happy New Year's Eve! We're back from our adventure on the water. We've just been chilling. I've been watching Food Network all night. Hopefully that's not gunshots, but there was only one. We're about to celebrate the New Year's. Mason fell asleep during shop, so he's gonna have to get up. But the ball dropped. Guys, look at this breakfast we just whipped up. Some fruit and yogurt and a bagel. It's delicious. Mason's still asleep. Hey guys, so I'm currently tanning. The sun is really in my face right now. Really don't look very cute, but it feels great out. Hopefully I'm gonna get a nice golden tan. update y'all on that later. I was tanning, but I'm dying of heat now. So I'm sitting here waiting. Mason's still not awake. He'll get up eventually. He needs his beauty rest. I've been sweating and I want to get in the pool. But I don't want my hair to be wet, but I'm gonna get it wet anyways. Okay. So we are about to go ride our bikes to the town, and it's gonna be fun. Wow, Kentucky keeps scoring. We're gonna watch the Georgia game tonight. We're probably gonna go to eat or something. So yep. See y'all later. We made it to the street of everything. We're gonna walk around now. We're locking up these bikes. These little stores. Don't stunt on them.
I'm so good.
Is everybody ready to eat here? We want to find a job.
Oh my god, that was so awkward. We're at that woman just completely saw me vlogging behind me. We're at this cute restaurant and it has all these cute little chairs in colors, ice water, with lemon of course. I got a Caesar salad. Hello guys, so we are watching the Georgia game. It is not going very well. So Mason's taking a swim. And I'm just chilling. I'm probably about to go to bed. I'm really tired. Don't know how I'm gonna make it through the rest of this game. Sorry, I'm trying to find lighting. There's really not out here. But I don't know. This game is kind of an upset, so we'll see. Good morning, guys. So this morning I'm just eating some raisin toast. So good. We're probably gonna go to this acai bowl place. It's called like Grain and Berry, and they're literally the biggest acai bowls I've ever seen. Like they're like exploding at the top in a giant bowl. Really want to go there. I think we're gonna go there in a little bit, so I'll show you all that. We're just chilling outside. It's a really nice day.
Like combination.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we're at this acai bowl place, and literally I've never seen an acai bowl place like this before. They're massive. I'll show it to you when it comes out. Like, it's really cool. Well, they have yogurt banana splits. Guys, look at this thing. Is that not the most beautiful you've ever seen? Look at his. He's got a mango in there.
First time. So good.
Literally, what? I can't wait to eat it, and it's massive. And this place is so cute. Okay, so first bite, it's just as good as it looks. So good. Hey guys, we're walking, looking for this sweatshirt that I saw the other day. And I'll show you all of when I get it. We found a hammock store.
Sit in this one.
That is so crazy. Okay. Guys, these print a 3D version of yourself.
That's cool.
Look at it. Yo, look at this place. What is that?
Smell. I don't know. It's like soap or something.
I was scared it was going to smell like fish.
That one's
Does it smell
key and
good?
lime. That one's good.
Look. We're in this cool place. Hey y'all, we left dinner and now, what? We're walking to the southernmost point to meet Mason. I mean, not Mason. Lexi and everybody, so here we go. This place is fun. It's hopping. We just heard some loud bass